Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video I will be doing this Mercury Retrograde eyeshadow palette tutorial. It's from Huda Beauty, so it was their new launch. So yeah, starting off I will be taking this color Vortex. It's a dark purple color. It's the darkest shade in the palette, and I'm going to use this mini angled brush from Luxy Beauty. It's their 111 brush, and in between using the blending brush to diffuse the color and using the color Libra on my crease as a transition shade, and using the concealer brush from Elf Cosmetics I'm going to cut my crease with it, and back and forth going with the pencil brush and defining the crease, and using the color Mercury on my middle part of the lid, and using the color Ultraviolet on the inner parts of the lid, then using the color Nebula on the center part of the lid, so taking the pencil brush again and defining the crease. The next step will be eyeliner. It's from Vulgar Cosmetics. It's their blacklist ink liner. And taking it all over on the crease using the 12 brush from ABH, and also defining the crease using the purple color again, and using this new lashes I got from Blaq label. It is the lashes in Flutter. So next step will be this Hourglass Vanish liquid foundation. I'm going to use this new product I discovered from Spa Sciences. It's their Eco Tool foundation brush. It blends the foundation so well. It has three parts where you can have medium, low, high. So I used the low part since I was using a really thick foundation, so I wanted to go slow. But yeah, I really loved it. It cost around $39. And yeah, since I applied my foundation, I'm gonna blend the concealer on my under eyes, and using the brush again to blend the contours of my face, and using the pencil brush from Luxy Beauty again, and using the color Vortex to apply it on my under eyes, and blending out all the translucent powder with the same tool I used for my face, but I didn't turn it on. And I'm going to use this tropical hue blush from Laura Geller Beauty, and using this Makeup Revolution Shimmer Radiant Brick Highlighter and Pixi Beauty Head to Toe Fetch Highlighter and Anastasia Beverly Hills Undressed Lip Gloss on my lips. And yeah, this is the finished look. Hope you guys really enjoyed my Huda Beauty's new palette tutorial. I had really fun creating this look since I was going out. So yeah, hope you guys really enjoyed it. Please subscribe to my channel and give this video a big thumbs up, and I will see you guys on my next tutorial. Bye.